As we start to reopen our stores, we wanted to offer some handy information regarding your shopping experience. At Wickes, we put customer safety at the heart of everything we do, and so we're putting measures in place to ensure the well-being of our colleagues and customers. Customers must wear face coverings at all times. When you arrive, you'll be welcomed by a car park marshal who will happily answer any questions you might have and direct you to the appropriate queue. Queuing, please adhere to social distancing requirements. Wickes staff sanitise every trolley that's used, but we've also added a sanitising station to our trolley bay so you can wipe down a trolley before you use it. We're currently limiting the amount of customers we allow into the store at one time in order to make it easy to maintain social distancing. So we've got door marshals that'll kindly tell you when you're good to go in. Some of our stores even include one-way systems which ensure that all of our customers can enjoy a safe and simple experience. We've worked on making the checkout process as secure as possible. Cashiers are now behind screens where they wait for you to leave your trolley in the designated zone and step back. This allows them to step out and scan your items before returning behind the screens to continue your sale. We're currently accepting card payments in all stores and cash payments in most stores. We're also still accepting Think25 purchases, but you'll be required to show your ID clearly rather than hand it over. To save time and effort, our heaviest and most popular items are stocked by the door, allowing you to pay at the till before collecting the item on your way out. Once you've loaded your items into your vehicle, simply return your trolley so it can be sanitised by Wickes colleagues. To sign up to Wickes TradePro, download the TradePro app or go to wickes.co.uk. Unfortunately, some services aren't available in store at the moment. This includes paint mixing, timber cutting. Our kitchen and bathroom design service is now available virtually. Book your free virtual design service online now, and we'll be in touch as soon as possible. When you arrive home, be sure to wash your hands with soap for 20 seconds. Wickes. Let's do it right, safely.